Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. I think I've done almost exactly the same with the exception I didn't have the shine of the outside corner. If you can see it's going underneath. Not real difficult to draw, but you just got to kind of think outside the box. I'm going to draw that center square. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees to get that angle. Now, there's a few tricks that I've learned while doing this. Now we're going to make another rectangle. And we could round off corners, but we don't know the size when we turn it, and you'll see. So I'm going to go 45 degrees. And I'm going to put it right there. Now, let me move this out of the way. This is the problem they were having, and also on the smart fill and the color of it. If we take this now and Control D to make a duplicate, Alternate C to make it rotate from there, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, which would be 135. See, our boxes aren't the same size, as you can see. So we need to correct for that. The only way I know really how to do it would be to take this box, go up to Object, convert it to a curve. I'm sure there's another way, but then grab these two nodes and go right there to that edge. Now these boxes will be what we need. So we take this box and we're gonna just kind of make an imaginary spot right about there and hold down the control button while using start moving it first and then hold down the control button, and you'll get it perpendicular, and then make your kind of your rotation right there. I'm a little bit off on the line, but I can take the shape tool and move that in. I don't have to delete these lines, but it'll be easier to maybe to understand. Now, if you notice this thing is not all one piece, I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 5 inches, and I'm going to fill that in, and I'm going to get a new shape, and that'll keep these parts together. Now I'm going to nudge that back. I'm going to left click, right click, Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to have it rotate from there. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. But I need that part right there to be inwardly, into this. So what I'm going to do first is take this one, and I'm just going to move it out of the way, and I'm going to put it back to 0. Whoop. Well, I'm rotating from there. Let's see what we need to rotate it to 45. And to get that exact arch, I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. That's what I need right there. So I'm going to take that shape and I can start all over. So I can take this one now, left click, right click, and rotate it a negative 45 degrees. Now, if you look, we're working at 315. So let's make a new object. So easy. Take the Smart Fill tool, move that out of the way, take that. We could have done it at 315, but now we're at 0. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to rotate it that 90 degrees. And you see that little arc. So we're going to take, this is a long way about it, but it works. So I just drew a straight line and then cut that out. And then take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Move that out of the way, and I nudged it so I could nudge it right back. I'm going to nudge it back. Left click, right click, Control D, Alternate C. Rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, Control D. There's our shape. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm just going to fill in these 4 shapes. I'm going to split this up into 2 parts, just because this was a little bit long, and I'm going to show you how to get this color and make them equal. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.